Are you familiar with this substance? It's called dry ice. Dry ice is made out of a chemical called carbon dioxide. You might be familiar with carbon dioxide as a gas in the air around us. Here we have solid carbon dioxide, and it's very cold, so I'm wearing this glove to protect my fingers from frostbite. Let's see what happens when we add this dry ice to this glass of water. What do you observe? Do you see bubbles? This solid carbon dioxide is sublimating, meaning that it's turning from a solid into a gas, which means that these bubbles must be filled with gas carbon dioxide. What do you see at the top of the glass? Does it look like a fog or a cloud? Do you know what clouds are made out of? They're made out of condensed water vapor. Now there's water vapor in the air all around me, but that water vapor is invisible. In this experiment, the very cold bubbles of gas carbon dioxide coming off the dry ice rise to the top of the glass and hit the atmosphere. And then that cold carbon dioxide is able to pull the invisible water vapor out of the air and condense it into tiny little droplets, which makes this cloud. It's kind of a small cloud though. Let's go to the kitchen and see if we can make an even bigger cloud. Before we start this experiment, I first put on my safety gear. I have on safety glasses, safety gloves, pants, and closed-toed shoes. I've also made sure there's nothing on the floor nearby that would get damaged if it got a bit wet. For this experiment, we first need a bucket. And this bucket is empty except for the air inside of it. To this bucket, we're first going to add a pot of boiling water. This water is boiling, which means that it's turning from a liquid into a gas very quickly. So we're producing a lot of water vapor. Now to condense that water vapor, we're going to add a pot of dry ice chunks. Count down with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow! That's a big cloud. Look at all this fog. I want to use this fog to show you something important. Watch what happens when I sneeze into the fog. Achoo! 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 Now I'm going to do the same thing, but while wearing a simple cloth mask. Watch carefully. Achoo! 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 And without the mask again. Achoo! See the difference in how the fog moves? Next, I'll scoop some of this fog into this pot. And I'm just going to speak into it. Science is fun! Now without the mask. Science is fun! Huh, it really seems like this simple cloth mask inhibits the airflow from my mouth from pushing the fog around. This is one of the reasons that we can wear masks to help protect ourselves and others from airborne diseases such as COVID-19. Thank you for joining me for this experiment. I hope you stay safe and you have fun learning.